using AutoCAD and exporting out to the laser engraver using AutoCAD 2013 educational version. In this tutorial, we are going to export out this gasket to the laser engraver to be cut out on a piece of paper. So to start with, I'm going to turn off some layers. So I'm going to come up to here and turn off my dimension layer, which is currently my current layer, and go back up here again, turn off my center lines, and turn off my border. So all I'm left with now is the actual object or gasket. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my limits to match the laser engraver. So I type in limits, the lower corner is 0, 0. The upper corner is going to be 24, 12, which is the bed of the laser. So when I hit enter, you can see the limits change. Okay. The last thing, which is really simple, is I'm going to highlight my object, and I'm simply going to go to the different layer called laser that we set up. Okay. And therefore it's all done. Now, whoops, sorry, let me try that once more time. And we go up to laser, and there we go. Okay, so, and I'm just going to hit enter, hit escape, sorry, there we go. Okay, so now, all that really means is I've changed up here, I've changed to the color red, okay, and under my lines, I've gone to 0.05. So if I don't have a laser layer, I can just change that one to red, this to 0.05, and there's my object done. Okay. Next, I'm just going to go to the application menu, go to print. From print, I'm going to select my laser engraver, which is in this case the VLS 3.50. Okay. Use the default paper size. Yes, we do, because that's 24 by 12. Okay. And under here, plot area, we want to plot the limits. Plot to scale, no. We want to plot 1 to 1, otherwise the object is not exactly the size that we want it to come out as. And when I hit preview, it should now be on the screen. Okay, we'll close this off. And finally, we just click on OK, and out it plots. And it's not plotting to a printer right now, it's just plotting to another piece of software. And that piece of software is called Universal Laser Systems, and I'm starting it up here. And now you can see the object has come into this software. Okay. Basically what you have to do here is set up some parameters, and we simply go to settings, and under settings I'm going to go to, there's all different sorts of things here, there's rubbers and stones, woods that we can go to. I'm going to click on paper, and in this case it is just paper. Okay. Now what I got to do here is I could hit apply, but what I want to do is show you under manual control what's just happened. Okay. So under this manual control there's 3 different colors set up. Black is for what's called engraving. So if you're going to put text or something on, you're going to engrave it. Okay, blue is just another layer for engraving. The color red is the important one because it's the one that actually cuts out stuff. So you can see that it's changed the power settings. Okay, and depending on what the paper is or the material is, these ones will change. So if I click on here, I can change my power to maybe 50%. Okay, I can change my speed here as how fast the laser is traveling. Okay, I'm going to leave it at about 75 because I know that this setting works. And the PPI is called pulses per inch, so how many times the laser hits the paper as it cuts it. And I'm going to leave that one at 1,000. Then all I do is click on set. Okay, so this setting here, depending on what I'm cutting, okay, I could probably even get away with a speed of 100%. Okay, and it'll still cut, right? If you go too low, it'll probably start the paper on fire. So I'm going to click on OK. And then now that is as far as I can go because I'm not connected to the laser. But if there was a laser connected, we would hit the start button right here and it would turn on and this would turn green and you would just press go, right? The green button for starting, and you would be cutting out right now. And that is in the next tutorial.